Yeah, practically. Yeah. You seriously see me practically crying. काफी depressed रहा मैं, काफी portions में और हमारे जो director है विशाल मल, विशाल, can I have you on stage here? He's actually a very smart guy क्योंकि ये जो moments है, there are times I didn't know he was capturing these moments. So he's captured a lot of stuff that when I saw the show, मैं काफी shock रहा उसके बाद कि अरे इसने ये भी capture किया. There are times I told him कि विशाल, should we show this? और हमने decide किया कि let's show this and let's audience को ये दिखा देते हैं. तो क्या हुआ अगर थोड़ा मेरे लिए थोड़ा embarrassing रहेगा या अगर मैंने खाना खाया उसमें पेट थोड़ा बाहर आ रहा है तो मैंने कहा विशाल पेट थोड़ा बाहर है दिखा दो ऑडियंस को. उसमें क्या है खाना खाया अभी. So you know we've shown moments that are very real. We've not tried to hide anything. कुछ मेकअप करके हमने ये शो नहीं करा है. बिना मेकअप का ये शो पूरा it's a very honest clear show. और कपड़े भी काफी कम पहने मैंने शो में. I think there are portions in the show because that time I was working a lot with Akshay over Desi Boys, I think, and so there's a little with Akshay in the film because he's someone I really love. I love Akshay, and that comes across also when you'll see my banter and my talk with him. So there's a bit of that, and some portions of some promotions of some films. So there's a little with Janelia, a little with Akshay. A little with all the other co-stars that happened over a few, Chitrangada, and like so quite a few moments that and very real moments that you'll see in the show, and my relationship with them that comes across. But Akshay is like a brother. He's like just great working. हाँ लेकिन उस टाइम पे वो we were not film के टाइम पे we were not shooting with so unfortunately I didn't जैसे मैंने कहा कि ये शो स्टेज नहीं है. मैंने विशाल को नहीं कहा कि अरे यार ये एस्पेक्ट भी कैप्चर कर लेते चलो अभिषेक के घर जाते हैं. इट वाज नेवर लाइक दैट. सुबह उठ के जो करना था हमें हम कर रहे थे. विशाल मेरे साथ काफी जगह पे आई मीन यू केम ट्रैवल्ड अ लॉट विद मी टू डिफरेंट प्लेसेस सो वी कैप्चर्ड ऑल दैट.
Just to add, there were moments where like at 12 o'clock at night, you just call up and say, let's go out for a cup of coffee. In fact, that's how the film starts. And we just rolled. We have almost about 6 months of content. We shot that over 2 years. But in fact, there was so much to put in. We didn't know what to really take out. But anyways, I just feel really glad that it's kind of come out well.
You've taken out all the adult stuff.
I want to be honest here, okay? It's the last part of the film. Are we allowed to say? Sorry? Yeah, let them watch, but there are moments where, okay, I want to share this. This is the last one. We're at Worli's ceiling, okay, and, a little beggar boy comes up, and instead of asking for money, he turns around and says, "Hey, John Abraham." And then the mother, kind of comes in and they start asking for money and John actually says, you shouldn't beg, And this was not rehearsed. The camera was just rolling, So there's some really nice, touching kind of moments which I'm hoping you guys like.
Aarti, we have a question for you. What are your expectations from the show and why a celebrity why this show?
Basically, this is the channel is going to be doing a lot of younger programming, and he's the perfect fit. He's the face of lifestyle in India. He's just to get a peek into his life. It couldn't be a better fit for us, and to get an opportunity to show his personal life to his fans, I don't think that there's any better opportunity.
John, was the show scripted at all, and what do you think is going to keep the audience engaged to this?
This is what I really want to say. It's a good question because the show is not at all scripted. When we started doing the show, I said, Vishal, Vishal was shooting 1-minute clips for an internet site for me. And I said, Vishal, just shoot some extra, rakhenge hum log side mein, we'll see what we can do with it. The intention was never to make a documentary or a film out of it, etc. and we just started shooting and banking stuff. So there is nothing in this that's scripted at all. Nothing. There is not one moment, and that's what makes this special. I wish you could see the promo right now and you'd understand the flavor of the show. It's very simple. I am not part of a television series. I'm saying it again. I'm not part of a reality show. I don't want to do GECs. This is not John Abraham launching himself on television. This is just a sweet part of my life that we're showing to the audience. That's it. And I'm sure it'll resonate with an audience and they'll find it. See, everybody's seen an actor in an actor's life. Crowd, this, that. But no one has seen the other side. So this is just the other side. So you'll be pretty inquisitive to understand how this guy leads his life. That's it. Could be me, could be anybody.
You've been associated with different infotainment channels in various capacities. With one, you're a brand ambassador. You've also been involved with wildlife conservation. How has that experience been working with Indian television in different capacities?
I think producers and especially channel heads have been very proactive and they've been very supportive. So if you ask me my experience from my brand ambassadorship and the fact that I'm doing this show with NDTV Good Times, it's been lovely. I can only speak positive things about it, and the whole experience has been lovely because they've been open to listening to new ideas and how we could position it, different marketing ideas. So all in all, the experience has been absolutely super, and I come in very brief spells, you see, so I just come and I go off because I really don't want to stay there. So it's always more exciting for people to see something different.
All right, this was the last question, and thank you, John. And we'll all be excited to tune in and see your CVC at NDTV Good Times. With that, you can have one-on-one with John Abraham.
Sorry.
Can we request you to pose for a photo op?
Yeah, sorry. No, I'm not open to it at all because I think it's not my mental space and my mind space. I'm absolutely not open to it. Do you know about your future? I don't know. So I think at this point of time, I am definitely not open to it. And for me, this point of time could go on for maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years. I don't know, as long as I last. But I'm definitely not open to it. Definitely not. I do not want to host.